Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today I am telling you about the EBS handjet printer loading issue. When you on your EBS handjet label printer, you may see loading issue. It did not go to the main menu. Today I am telling you how to resolve this issue. You need to uh, open your handjet label printer and you have to pull out a memory card. It's downward to in your screen, and you see in the video how to remove this card, and you need to pull it put it back. Then you have to restart your label printer. It will be fixed. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for a lot for watching the video.